And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so excited with this hair that I was able to do on my own by myself. It was a challenge to get it done, but I want to show you how you can achieve this really cute braid style. I don't know what you call it. This was just something that in my head I just wanted to do and try on myself, so that's what I did. This is so cute, don't you see? It's so cute. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this style, guys, keep watching this video to the end. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so right now. Take the opportunity and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's get right into this video. Without any further ado, I'm going to be showing you how you can get this look. And the great thing about this, you can style this hair as you wish. I don't want to waste any more of your time, so here we go. Here in 3 sections. So as you can see, I already went ahead and did some single braid on my hair, and I would only be working with the front to show you how I was able to accomplish this style. So I sectioned my hair in 2 parts. As you can see, I used some shining jam to part my part really straight, and I tuck away one side and I will be working with the next side. So what I did is to section it in 3, as you can see here, 3 part, then another 3 pieces using some clips to separate it. Then I go ahead and braid. It's a very tricky thing to do. Many of us braid different way and feel comfortable braiding different way, but guys, just keep watching this. I don't want to confuse it. I just want to allow you to watch it and see if it make any sense to you. Guys, if you do get something from this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to see me create any video or do any braiding style, please let me know in the comment box. I would very much appreciate that. I love braiding. It's my hobby, and I've been doing this since I was 8 years of age. So here is my thing. So guys, keep watching to the end to see how I did it. The top part of it was really, if your hands are not flexible, your hands will get really tired. So guys, look at how I'm doing the front. Just keep looking. I can't even explain this to you, but keep watching it until the end. I even show you 5 to 6 different ways that you can style this hair and look sexy always. It's very cute. You can dress it up, you can dress it down as you wish. And have yourself an awesome day. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a lovely one. Bye.